How to change the background color on an Instagram story. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now click on the plus icon given at the top left, your story. With that, your gallery will open up and here you're gonna find the camera icon. Click on that, your camera will open up. Now at the left corner, you're gonna find different option. Select the option create. Now, over here, you're going to find this circle icon at the bottom middle. You have to click on it. Once you have clicked on it, now at the top, you're going to find this color icon. Click on that. Now, different color options will be available for your background. Select any of it. Once you have selected, now you can use other options, text, stickers, music, and edit your story. Once you are done, you can click on your story and upload it. So this way you can easily change the background color on your Instagram story. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.